Residential and commercial rates are different. And this can be a little confusing for people because it's not just like, hey, this is the interest rate and it is what it is. So, in order to understand why that is, you need to understand the role of a GSE, which is a government sponsored entity like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The role of those entities is to create a more liquid market and to guarantee or ensure the risk that that mortgage may be to the investor. So the GSEs establish a baseline for what they require in order to ensure that mortgage against the risk. And if it meets those baselines, it's covered. And that creates a lot more strength within the mortgage market. And this is traditionally residential loans, but the GSEs actually do multifamily loans as well, which typically start at like 1.5 million, but really start to have a pricing power that makes sense between 3 and 5 million. So with the Fannie and Freddie multifamily loans, those can actually be an interest rate that's lower than a residential rate. And the reason for that is because the cost to create that mortgage is lower because there's much more efficiency of scale. So imagine if you're doing a $10 million multifamily loan versus if you had to create 20 residential loans at $500,000 a piece in order to equal the same $10 million. So there's more efficiency of scale within the multifamily market, but it's backed within the same Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac guarantee in order to mitigate that risk.